Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my vlog. So yan guys, kumusta kayo guys? Yung napapansin nyo, napaka-chill lang ng aking background. So yan guys. So na kung saan lupalop na naman ako napunta. So yan guys, for today's video, nandito ako sa lugar kung saan matatagpuan ng may strawberry farm, malamig, relaxing, and syempre ang may Lion's Head. So alam niyo yan, ang Baguio City. So yan guys, share ko lang sa inyo nangyari kanina ay kagabi. So kagabi kami umalis mga 8:30 doon sa may Cavite. Then yan, sundo kami na service. Then di na ako napag-vlog in montage ng dinaanan namin kasi may dilim. So wala rin sense kung mag-video sa labas. So yan guys, kaya kami nandito sa Baguio kasi may team building and tour sila mahal dito. So sabit lang kami dito. Ako at si Daniel. Dapat si CJ kaso hindi kinanap kasi pero bawi na lang. So yan. Then bago kami pumunta dito, may mga pinunta na talaga kami kanina. Parang first half ng aming gala. So mapapanood nyo kagad dito pagkatapos ng intro. Then guys, itong vlog na to is bali hanggang kasi kami dito hanggang Sunday. Bali 3 vlog to. Dapat gagawin ko siyang isa kaso napansin ko na marami pala kami pupuntahan. So sobrang haba. So gagawin kong day 1, day 2, and last day ng vlog. So 3 vlog ang mapapanood nyo sa aking channel. Then sa ngayon guys, yan gagaling lang namin sa galaan. So yan, makikita niyan after ng intro. Then yan, pahinga lang muna kami magcha-charge. Then abangan nyo yung next na pupuntahan namin. And i-room tour ko din kayo dito bukas na lang siguro bago kami umalis. Kasi masyado pang makalat. So basta i-room tour ko kayo bukas dito sa accommodation na kuha namin. Yan si Daniel, Yan si Daniel, first time niya sa Baguio. Ako, pang second time kasi nung first time ko dito, hindi para sa akin okay siya pero hindi ganang sulit kasi kami nun naalala ko is 1 day lang. Parang uwi din kami agad. So marami kaming hindi napuntahan. So ngayon, dahil 3 araw kami dito, I think masusulit namin talaga at pupunta namin yung mga magagandang pasyalan dito sa Baguio. Basta abangan nyo at panoorin nyo yan. Yan guys, dyan lang kayo and magpapahinga lang muna kami. Then mag-charge, then magpapalit ng damit. Sa susunod namin pupuntahan. So yun, naulan dito sa namin, sa pinuntahan accommodation din yung napaka-chill ng lugar. So yan. So yan guys, dyan lang kayo at abangan nyo yung mga susunod namin pupuntahan mamaya. Then yung second day and last day na vlog ko. So dyan lang kayo. So guys, di ko na papatagalin to. At ito na nga, intro muna para mapanood nyo na yung first half na pinuntahan namin. So here you go. So yan guys, good morning. Yan guys, ang first namin stop is ang Baguio Cathedral. So yan guys, napakaganda niya dito guys. So yan, ganda. And guys, dito muna kami kasi tamang para mapag-CR din. Mga sarado pa kasi yung pasyalan. So yan. So abangan nyo ang aking ang aming 3 days vlog dito sa Baguio. So yun, huwag kayong bibitaw. So yan guys, habang nandito kami, so imumontage ko na yung mga nakikita ko dito sa loob ng Baguio Cathedral. So ito na siya. So yan guys, yun lang naman makikita mo dito sa may dito sa may Baguio Cathedral. Napakaganda, napaka-refresh. Then napaka aliwalas and damang-daman na namin yung lamig ng Baguio and lamig rito. So diyan na kayo guys, samahan nyo lang kami sa aming mga susunod na pupuntahan. Yung guys, nag-stop over muna kami sa isa sa mga ano dito, Bulaluhan, habang sarado pa yung mga pasyalan. Then tamang ano muna kami, breakfast bago talaga kami pumunta doon sa mga pupunta aming pasyalan. So huwag kayong bibitaw, dyan lang kayo.
A few moments later.
So yan guys, update lang. So guys, back out kami doon kasi napakamahal ng mga menu nila. So punta na lang muna kami dito sa The Mansion. So tara.
Much later.
So yan guys, ngayon nandito naman kami ngayon guys sa, sa Mines View. Yan. Kung saan makikita nyo yung may malaking aso. So tara na.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow.
So yan guys, nakakamiss talaga makapunta dito sa Mines View. So ngayon na lang ulit. So second time around, and yes, ganun pa rin, walang pinagbago, and sobrang na-amiss pa rin ako sa ano, ganda ng ano na to, spot na to. So ngayon is tingin-tingin lang kami ng ano, maraming souvenir dito. Then abangan niyo yung aming next stop. So yan guys, update lang. Yan guys, nandito kami sa 7-Eleven. So tamang kakain muna kami habang yung iba is nagpicture dun sa Mines View, and habang wala pa si namin, kuya driver slash tour guide. So dyan na kayo guys at kakainin muna kami saglit.
One eternity later.
So yan guys, welcome back, update lang. So yan guys, nandito naman kami ngayon sa Bell Turks. So yan, sa parang Chinese place. So tara na.
I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous?
So yun guys, update lang. So ang next stop naman namin is Igrotstone Kingdom. So yan, dito sa likod. So after nito is pupunta na kami doon sa aming accommodation. So tara na, itodo na natin to sa first hop ng aming gala.
In my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be.
So yun guys, update lang. So yun guys, napakaganda pala rito. So first time ko lang makarating dito sa part na to ng Baguio. Kasi nung unang punta ko dito, hindi ko naman lahat napuntahan, and sobrang amazed sa pagkakagawa nito. And para talaga nasa ibang tribe. So ngayon susulitin na namin to kasi after nito punta na nga kami ng accommodation. So dyan na kayo guys at kapit na kayo sa aming mga susunod na pupuntahan.
myself. 3,000 whoop-whoos later.
So yan guys, welcome back. Ngayon guys, nandito na kami sa SM Baguio. So yan, sa wakas, sa pangalawang pagkakataon, kasi nung unang punta ko dito is dumaan lang talaga kami, then umuwi din agad. So ngayon, malilibat ko na siya kasi may oras kami para mapaglibot. Guys, iba ngayon yung gamit yung cellphone kasi yung Vivo ko is nalobat. So ang gamit ko ngayon is yung iPhone. So yan, para mapag-continue natin maibalog ko yung namin, second half of gala. So yun guys, share ko lang yung accommodation namin. Walang kuryente, pagdating namin din walang wifi. So mamaya pa daw pag-uwi namin. So I hope meron na talaga kasi para may upload ko agad tong namin. Day 1 dito sa Baguio. Basta kapit na kayo guys, 3 days vlog to. Tara na boy! So yan guys, tamang stop over muna kami dito sa McDo para mag-take out ng pagkain ni Daniel kasi mamaya is kain kami, mang-inasal mamaya. So bumili lang kami ng pagkain niya. So dyan na kayo guys at samahan niyo lang kami sa aming second part ng first day nitong aming gala sa Baguio. So yan guys, nandito kami sa Mang Inasal. Dito yan sa may gilid ng SM. So yan. Pari naulan dito ngayon guys. So nakulipinan sila para bumili ng aming pagkain. So dyan lang kayo guys at kakain na kami saglit. So yan guys, nakahanap kami ng pwesto dito sa loob. And ayun, ang kasi dito sa labas ang ulan. So buti may nakuha kami pwesto dito sa loob. So dyan lang kayo guys, kakain lang muna kami.
One eternity later.
So yun guys, welcome back. Tatapos lang namin kumain. Then yan, magagala na ulit kami. Then mga 8:30 kami susundan dito ni Kuya, yung nagtutur na driver din namin. So dyan guys, dyan lang kayo at samahan nyo kami sa aming second part ng gala ng aming first day vlog dito sa Baguio. So yan guys, tapos lang aming second part ng day 1 dito sa Baguio. So pabalik na kami dun sa accommodation and I hope na-enjoy nyo yung aming day 1 gala dito sa Baguio. So abangan nyo pa yung day 2 at sa aming last day na gala dito sa Baguio. So yan guys, thank you at pinanood nyo at tinapos yung video na to. So yan guys, hanggang dito na naman ang aking day 1 vlog. So after nyo mapalad ang day 1 vlog na to, huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-like at subscribe para mas updated kayo at ma-notify kayo sa aking day 2 and day 3 vlog. So hanggang dito lang muna, bye bye and good night.